We are pleased to show you the 2025 Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, dual moonroof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.